If you've been procrastinating fitness or tired of your workouts, it's time for something fun and new. You might be constantly guessing what to do, or feel like you hit a plateau, or don't know where to start. I've got you covered. This is for you. I'm offering a 28-day challenge with loads of prizes to keep you motivated and overcoming your obstacles. I'm bringing together my 15 years of experience of blending Western exercise science and Eastern holistic arts. Each week, you will experience a variety of unique workouts for beginners, intermediate, and advanced fitness levels. No gym necessary, but it is great if you already incorporated the gym into your daily routine. You will feel challenged but capable, and I'll be guiding you step by step. And the benefits will be more than physical. These exercises will also counter the negative effects of sitting and smart devices, make you stronger, and provide mental health benefits to help you feel empowered through physical activity. The join-in fee is $10 and there's loads of prizes. There's a $50 gift card, Fitness Foundry t-shirt, 1 year free membership to the app, hundreds of workouts, tons of different exercise programs for all levels of fitness, and everyone who completes the 28-day challenge will receive a 2-week free trial, all access of the app. Now, it's a point-based challenge. The person with the highest points win. There will be a few ways to receive points: by completing workouts, by posting inspirational and motivational quotes, and by tagging a friend or inviting a friend. Remember, sharing is caring. Registration is now open, and we kick off the 28-day challenge on July 12th. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today, and don't forget to bring a friend.